Welcome back, guys, CryptoFollow channel. Let's talk about the Zcash targets updates with my customer set. Can you show me the some posts about the privacy tokens again? You know, the narratives and the sentiment on the crypto space change like light speed. This everybody's screaming about. Oh, you don't understand. The privacy token, I always believe in it, so we skyrocket to the moon. 1K, 2K, 5K. Where that Arthur Hayes post and prediction, so Zcash to 10K. And this is an influencer with millions of audience, millions of followers, and they just talk some random stuff, just the beauty numbers. Everybody made a mistake. Everybody. I post a lot of some analysis which is not playing out, you know, but it's always okay to come out and say, I was wrong, you know, because I don't know the future. I just share my ideas. But when the one day the Arthur Hayes came and say, guys, Zcash to the 10K. On the next day, when the Zcash at the top at 700, at a new, or not an all-time high, you know, but at the highest point, you say we're going to 10K, and when we go into correction, you say no, send it to 0. Of course, it's not his mistake, you know. He can say whatever he wants, but I don't understand why people still pay attention and they follow these guys. So for me, it's kind of strange and the weird, you know. Without any sense, without any analysis, just the people spread some random numbers, just the beauty numbers is like engagement for me. All right, guys, so I showed you we should drop and test the buy line on a daily time frame, weekly time frame, the monthly time frame. Highly recommend you go and check the video about the Zcash, what I posted in Psalm 23. You know, when everybody just don't give a F words about Zcash here. And I just posted the bull run plan for Zcash. Let's take a look. This FIB still in play, still relevant, and will be still relevant for the next few years. Believe you or not. You know, you can hate it, you can love it. And we reject at 78 level by FIB the highest point for Zcash. If something happened, you know, BTC now rebound from the 60K to 150 and all of this stuff, maybe one day the Zcash will reach 1K 348 based on just basic algorithm. This is a global chart of Zcash. Now, the road can be straightforward to 173 because it's a 0 level and it's a test above weekly time frame take profit line. This time period, I post the updates, so it's no make sense, guys, to buy the token after amazing rally. So if you even buying here in August, amazing rally around 2K pump, how and why the people buying the token? So it's no make sense, no make any sense. Even if we from the 700 here pump it here, it's only 79%. Risk ratio absolutely horrible. That's why now this FIB relevant, and like you can see, 78, this is a global block of accumulation. And yes, it's like a negative FIB. People always ask like they don't understand how it is possible, how the FIB can be negative. Because any token can drop and add 1 0, add 2 0, add 3 zeros. You understand it? So this is how the FIB can be negative, right? So we rejected at 78 level by FIB, drop it to 23, rejected 0.5, and now the road can be straightforward to the 0 level 173. It can be like a support. Honestly, I don't think so. We will drop to the yearly open on Psalm 25. To the buy line is $77. I don't think so. Also, the positive case, guys, if we just stop it here, rebound to the 451, and after that crash. Why it can happen? Because if we use the custom FIB, this one is here, for example. This is an impulse correction impulse. So this one, impulse, correction, impulse. 27 block, the local one. You can hate it, you can love it, but probably will play out perfectly well. So it's 222, 189 with the weak candle. We can drop and test the exit line above test 171, for example. But the lines are dynamic. So in the next few days, few weeks maybe, we will see the test. If not, we can rebound from 222 to 0.5 by FIB again on 470. And the positive case, guys, if we drop, bounce, and sweep this high and continue with the uptrend structure. If not, just pretty simple weekly structure. Drop, bounce, even if we break this high, but it's not a break of structure. It's like chalk, and crush it down. Again, to 28, to, I don't know, to 30, 40, that's zones. So guys, now, no rush with a long position because, for example, if you want to open long now, you should be ready to see like 27% drop potential. It's not an option like, so it's happened, right? But it's potential 27 drop. With the second leverage, it's over than 50%. So no makes sense to take a risk. More than okay to try take a risk, for example, at 182. There also, it was absolutely mind-blowing how the people after, when we traded over the exit line, buying the Zcash. So the test above on a monthly time frame Zcash is 125. I don't think so we're going to drop that low. Firstly, we will test the above weekly exit line. More than okay, try. But you have to work with the money management. Try to open some position here, for example, 10% stop loss with second leverage, it's 20. If you think 20 is too much, it's absolutely the same risk 20%. If you could trade with the second leverage, 2%. So the people sometimes think like, how it even possible? So you trade with a 20% stop loss. It's the same like you use the 10x leverage, but I can use the second leverage. So absolutely everything the same. But with the 10x, you paid more fee on exchange, for example. Or that you can reduce the size of position and open even trade with the 10x leverage, but reduce the size of position. So absolutely everything the same. The leverage doesn't mean nothing, you know. So this is a block where you can open the long position for Zcash try. If you feel comfortable even buying now, it's okay. If we close all this stuff, double check the monthly gap level. All right, usually we more than okay with a 0.5 level by FIB of the monthly gap, 222, 188. So everything looks like be like support in this block, 222, 181, 177, for example. This one. So I can add alert to this just by price. And let's add alert to take profit exit line test above. So we will see the notification. What is good for Zcash? I add alert, this one, in December 21. We added alert, take profit on the daily time frame from the sell signal on the trade on indicator. You remember, if you watched that video, congrats. You could add alerts the same. Weekly time frame, we still didn't see the take profit signal, but on the daily, finally we saw the signal take profit. That's the beauty of the indicators, guys. Here, sell, for example, last one, sell. Here you could sell, step by step. Here's a sell, buyback, bounce, buyback, bounce, buyback, bounce. Finally, we see the signal take profit. So it means we need to close all short position. And I think more likely we will see something like from current prices or much better from this area, some signals to buy. How high we're going to bounce it, it's hard to say. But don't fall in some euphoria. mood, if we just break, for example, this spring 500, you will see the million posts again about the Zcash to the moon, to the 1K, 2K, 3K, 5K, 10K, and all of this absolute nonsense stuff. If you want to buy, for example, here at 200, for you make a deal with yourself, so you buy in at 200. At 400, just withdraw your initial deposit. I have zero interest to buying the Zcash, even at 200. For me, it's still like expensive because the guys who accumulated here, not even at the bottom, they still in profit around 500%. So they can sell at any moment. So for risk ratio, it's not that good one, personally for me. And I'm not a fan of the privacy token, so I don't care about it. 12 time frame, like you can see, it was a local buy bounces. All right, ADZ direction. ADZ I can show you because it's a global ticker, not from exchange. So it's impossible to track it based on the algorithm of ADZ. Some accumulation on the direction indicator on 12 time frame. Some accumulation only now starts February 3rd one. Accumulation on direction indicator. Last time, that accumulation we saw in August 25 before the pump. That's one more another, reason why you have to use this indicator set, for example, because you can determine where to step-by-step sell the token, where to step-by-step accumulate if you believe in it. It's your strategy to accumulate this token. Weekly time frame, guys, no accumulation. This is March 25. On the weekly, it was a main accumulation. April on a daily accumulation. Now, only accumulation on a daily, not on the weekly. Can we bounce, for example, like this one to new all-time high? Yes, of course. It's more than real. Absolutely. That's why it's only the question of your own plan. Nobody will tell you where to buy or where to sell till penny like signals, because nobody knows the future. But you can build a plan, personal plan. Based on the market mood indicator, guys, here it was a capitulation disbelief. Blue color, highly recommend you go and double check the tutorial about a market mood indicator. So we bounced to the A3 zone. Once again, I have no idea how the people still buying here in November at 700. It was a crazy bubble. Now we dump it to the optimism. So it's like hope you more. Still not a disbelief. So we can add alerts and track disbelief again. Trader on I showed you, take profit I showed you. The last one is money power. No money in. Only the money out. So be careful, guys, and no rush. On the daily, yes, some money inflow, but the key point is money inflow on the weekly. Guys, I highly recommend you just add alerts like I did in December, like I did now, and wait. If you'd like to trade with this custom indicator set, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.